Aviation connects the world, but also leaves a carbon footprint. As air travel continues to grow, the skies are getting busier, especially in regions like the Middle East, which serves as a global aviation hub. Meanwhile, decarbonization targets are looming over the sector, and sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, is emerging to be a promising alternative to fossil fuel. And how is SAF produced? From waste materials like used cooking oil and MSW, and so on. Before we get into the details, here is a quick background. Sustainable aviation fuel is not a new idea. The technology has been in focus for more than a decade now. But what has changed is regulation, urgency, and scale. In 2016, the International Civil Aviation Organization adopted CORSIA, the Carbon Offsetting and Reduction Scheme for International Aviation. CORSIA aims to stabilize net CO2 emissions from international aviation at 2020 levels. It is now in phase 1, which is 2024 to 2026, where participation is voluntary. In phase 2, from 2027 to 2035, participation becomes mandatory for countries representing over 90% of global aviation activity. SAF is among the scalable drop-in solutions available today. It can deliver up to 80% life cycle carbon emission reduction compared to conventional jet fuel. Different projects are currently at various stages of production. One of the primary methods for producing SAF is from biomass. Biomass feedstocks include municipal solid waste, agricultural residues, wood waste, and more. There are also other feedstocks such as used cooking oil, which is currently the main source being used globally for SAF production. This feedstock is the most commercially viable and widely implemented at present.
When you take municipal solid waste to produce SAF, you are addressing two ways, and that is you're decarbonizing the waste sector, you're decarbonizing aviation.
In 2022, the Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure of UAE, together with the General Civil Aviation Authority, launched the National SAF Roadmap. The target being 700 million litres of in-country SAF production per year by 2030. Dubai Municipality, Tadweer Group, Masdar, and Dubai's Luta Biofuels have all launched projects related to sustainable aviation fuel in the UAE market. And Saudi Arabia is not far behind. Aramco, Total Energies, and Saudi Investment Recycling Company have joined hands to explore the production of SAF from waste. Promising indeed, but the solution is not without challenges. The biggest challenge is financing. SAF plants are capital intensive, and this makes long-term feedstock contract, guaranteed offtake agreements, and government support absolutely critical. For the waste management industry, SAF is not just an aviation story. It is a circular economy opportunity.